Dami talaga mga tres eh. Yun ang nagpabomba dito. Samantala, Delpino fire on 3. No good. Out of bounds.
Same ball. Back, paliwan back. Back, paliwan back.
A lot of 3-point shots made by the team CM Farm. That is a big cause. Score by the CM Farm. Make that lot of lead here in the ball game. 9-19 here in the fourth quarter. Nakpil. Also Nakpil miss. Good back by Jory Napoles. 9-10 on the game clock. 21 points. Baug. Ray Suerte from the corner. Another almost three. Defensive rebound. Here now by Brian Angeles. Angeles, take it away. Nadulas. Etong si Brian Angeles. Sobrang dulas.
Napalino. Kailang, uga naman siguro, uga. Basa na yan, basa.
Nadulas pa. Etong si Brian Angeles.
Medic, palayo, medic. Medic, palayo. Mga bata, pagilid ko mga bata.
That is an unfortunately accident swept on the floor. That is Brian Angeles. Eight and 49 remaining, 78-57 here in the fourth quarter. Ayan, pinapunasan lang ng maigi yung floor para di na maulit yung ganong aksidente. This is an unexpected game 3 here at the Loreto Dinagat Island. Nagkaroon ng maraming lamang ang CM Farm mula nung mga tumatama yung mga 3-point shots nila while
Okay, basketball game.
WB Sophia
CM Farm basketball.
hindi makakonect na mga 3-point shots at mga tira sa labas. Yun ang nagpalagi at nagpalago talaga sa CM Farm dito. They are all connecting from the outside while WB Sophia is still up targeting. And now at the moment,
And to shoot.
Genmar Bragais against Diausen. Genmar ball pick, fire outside, no. Napoles get a rebound. Here now by CJ Del Pino. Del Pino drive, puts up. No good. Oh, it's an out of bounds.
Turnover.
Cabalg, drive it, no. Foul.
Number 15, pushing foul, shooting 2. Napoles. Third personal foul.
Siguro
First of the team.
tama nga din minsan yung mga nanonood natin. No, Neil Tolentino, mukhang walang pampabus na tinatawag, walang nagpo-full charge, walang energizer na kasama ngayon yung WB pa rin kapag yung energy ni Mr. Energizer nakikita at naipapasa sa kanyang mga kasama. Yeah.
One point.
A lot of time here, 8:07 on the game clock. But still a
Free throws complete. Jackmore Cabajo.
too many score, too many leads by the team of CM Farm. At the moment, 23 points, big lead. Ojula underneath, get foul.
Foul number 15.
And Sancho for his fourth foul.
Number 50. Fourth personal foul. First team foul.
Fourth foul for Sancho. 7:52. Versus good boy Ojula. What we're talking here is Energizer. Energy that he gave from his team. Parang kasabihan lang natin na iba yung Energizer kapag yung confidence niya sa loob pinapasigla yung kasama katulad ng mga ganitong problema. But still, have a 7:40 on the game clock. 18:59. 3-point shot. Sancho! Oh! Di makapaniwala yung mga tao. Sancho get that another 3. Pangatlo na galing kay Sancho yan sa 3-point shots He's spinning away the Tasmanian Devil. Deck short.
Ready to shoot?
Manso Pyre. The outside rebound. Pass to Del Pino. It's a miscommunication.
Turnover. Substitution.
Fortunately, no Neil Tolentino absence for this series here at the Dinagat Island dahil ginampanan ng pagiging mabuting ama sa kanyang anak at asawa. Mabuting asawa sa kanyang asawa. Bakasyon muna si Neil Tolentino. Birthday ng kanyang anak. Kaya kailangan samahan muna ang pamilya. Jory Napoles. Giggle mode by Jory. Get foul. 6:24 remaining on the game clock.
Jersey number 20, 28, knocking foul. Third foul. Second of the team. Substitution.
Johnny
Napoles.
find the up and under basket for two. 22 points, 6:13 on the game clock. Still maintaining by CM Farm.
And to shoot.
Manso from three. Bang!
Manso.
Iba na yan.
Three.
Iba na yan, sabi ng WB. They are all connecting. Without any hesitation. Grabe. Mga pukol sa labas, lahat halos kumonekta from the CM Farm. There comes Cabao. One more! Three! The confidence by the CM Farm. They are all connecting. While by the Team WB, still a salty.
Foul, jersey number 14. Number 14, second foul, second of the team.
Salty connection. Also by the Golden Hands. A lot of shooter here by the Team WB. Talagang yung kumpiyansa ng CM Farm na naig dito sa mga hagis sa tres. Silang lahat kumunektado pagdating sa mga outside shooting.
Then shoot.
And also the connection na dala dito ng Team CM Farm. Yung kanilang matagal na pagsasama na rin yung nangingibabaw dito eh. The chemistry, the camaraderie, and also teamwork. And at CM Farm made a great game for the night. Dagangon. Halos mga shooter dito sa WB. Walang connection.
I'm out C4. Pagilid lang, pagilid. After the ball game. Pagilid lang. Sa baliw ka.
And 32 remaining here in the fourth quarter. 89-63. Malaking kumpiyansa na by the CM Farm here in the Dinagat Championship.
Then shoot.
10 seconds on the shot clock. 3-point shots. Look at rebound by Jory Napoles. Ayun na by Sherwin Concepcion. Sherwin on the move. A lot. Look at rebound. Dami, no? That ball inside. Sherwin and one.
Basket is good. Foul jersey number 23, pushing foul, bonus throw. 23, first personal foul. 30 foul. Substitution.
Another off shooting. Concepcion pati sa free throw. Sanjo, yes!
Lopez Sancho.
Cap the Gallon also have an off target.
Left to shoot.
10-second shot clock. Chenmar Bergais to Laundry Sanjo. Duelo Ligo.
Out of bounds, turnover.
Hey, it's a turnover.
Out of bounds, turnover. Exactly 3 minutes. And to shoot.
Jory Napoles. CJ Del Pino drive. Yes, good for two.
Pino. And to shoot.
Bullet pass from the outside. Yan na naman. Di mapigilan. Mga bullet galing sa labas. Last 2 minutes here now by Del Pino. Blind pass to Gab Dagangon. This is a lucky day from 3 by the CM Farm.
And to shoot.
Cabal.
And to shoot.
And this is a finished business by CM Farm Dinagat. Mukhang sila na yung magcha-champion talaga dito. Grab the gallon. Is it 2 points? And this is a championship from the CM Farm. Congratulations, the CM Farm is the Loreto Dinagat Island Panalay champion and the first runner-up for the team WBS Sophia. Kita-kita tayo sa mga susunod na panalay sa buong Pilipinas. This is WBS Sophia. Please continue follow WBS Sophia and Roel Weber. Sa lahat po ng mga nanood, maraming salamat sa inyo. And congratulations to all buong Pilipinas. Muling abangan ang mga alay na laban sa Liga Panalay here at the Mindanao, Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao. Maraming salamat. God bless po.